we have discussed in detail in our Maxwell's distribution, D and C. So the number of molecule, that is actually represents the number of molecule with velocity C and C plus dc. So the number of molecules in this volume, suppose this is the volume we are considering here according to the picture. So this will be dNc, that is the number of molecules having velocity between C and C plus dc, simply into dV, that is elementary volume. Now the thing is that what we want to find out, the how many number of molecules move towards dA. Number of molecules will move towards dA is determined by the solid angle d omega subtended by A dA, that elementary volume at dV. So this number is simply, so from this point of view, if the number of molecules is nearing to this SS bar or the elementary area dA, which are at with the number of molecules which are at the volume dV, is simply given by mc dV 4 pi into d omega. D omega is the solid angle subtended by the volume. You know that what d omega means. So this is nothing but dnc by dV 4 pi, and we know that d omega value is dA cos theta by r square, where r is the distance, right? So from here, what we have written the value of d omega, yes, value of d omega here, and the dV, the elementary volume. All these are known to you, that is elementary volume is represented in the spherical coordinate system. So what we have done, we have just substituted all these things in this right hand side. So we come to this expression, right? So this is very simple because we are familiar with this kind of treatment in different domain of physics. So what we now want to find out? So the number of molecules strikes at dA in time dt coming from all possible direction in all possible distance will be just integrate this expression. This expression with all possible values. What will be the limit of that? So this is simply the doing out some integration. Nothing. See here, you see only the interesting difference is dr. So dr we have put it at 0 into c dt. C dt is a dimension of length, so dr, that is coming with velocity c, so we put it c into dt if it's the dt interval of time. So we can find out just integrating all these things, you can find out the values. Now, so here you see, put the 0 to alpha c d and c, we have calculated from the Maxwell's distribution, so you can put the values explicitly, or if you put it like this, that will also do. That is not very important, but you can put the exact value. If we know with the Maxwell, if you say with the Maxwell distribution, what will be the values of n, then you can put the values and do the calculations. So that will make you from the different what we obtain in the context of our, in the notes, what is given in the notes. So we can put, you can just evaluate it with Maxwell's distribution, which you have already done. Now, next we come to the pressure equation. So, pressure equation, when you find out the value of n, the pressure equation is also very simple. What is that? When molecule, the concept is little bit different just. When the molecule strikes the area dA downward at an angle theta, it is rebound at an angle theta, so that change is momentum suffered is mc, because cos component will contribute. So you'll see mc cos theta minus mc cos theta. So just compare this above the pressure, definition of pressure here, with the context of compare with our previous derivation of kinetic theory of gas, where momentum definition of momentum is the same. The definition of the momentum is that the change of momentum suffered by the molecule as per unit area as molecule is rebound from the wall. So the same thing is here. So the total, for the total change, we have to just integrate it. So if you put in the with values of dn, and here we have an extra term cos theta, so you get here this integration, which was cos theta sin theta in previous slide, it will coming as the cos squared theta due to this cos theta contribution. So if you do this, you can find out, and this is cos cube, it is probably 1/3. I will insist you just do all this integration. These are very simple, and do this. Instead of putting the values just 1/3, you can remember this, that cos theta sin theta is equal to pi by 2. No, it is half, known to us. So you can put also this 2 pi. So ultimately we come to this expression, and you can put it by average C square bar. And also if you consider, we are considering the distribution, Maxwellian distribution, then you put the value what exact we are coming to, it will be function of k, t, etc. So ultimately we have this expression. Now, by the similar way, if we define a pressure as P, that is in time, if the pressure be P, so the in time dt dA, the rate of momentum change will be, I mean, it should not be the rate. The change of momentum in time dt in this area dA will be P into dA into dt, right? So that is what pressure means. Pressure is P. It is multiplied by dt into dA will give us what we have in estimated so far in the right hand side in this expression. So if you put this all these values, we ultimately come P equal to 1/3 mn c bar square. So this is obtained from kinetic theory. But if I tell you find out the value of the value when we have the Maxwellian distribution. Then you do this exact value of, put this exact value of this and see what is coming out. So in that case, we can do, we can maybe find out the ratio of the masses of the molecules if two molecules are given, and so many things we can define considering different temperature. So this is another way of defining the derivation of the kinetic theory of gas. It is from the collision theory. So this is interesting. I think I also think that it is good to study it in a different approach, where we are coming to some integration like this, and that will be interesting to find out. Yes, we are getting the same result in the context of the other theory also. So is it okay?
Yes, ma'am. Can you just go to the collision theory PDF?
Yeah, yes.
No, the collision theory.
This is the collision, right?
Yes, ma'am. This one.
Yes. Anything? So this is actually definite. Is there any problem with this?
Ma'am, I am telling about the collision theory part 1.
Part 1. Okay. Yes.
Ma'am, can you just bring it a little lower?
Yes.
In some places you have said that we can directly put the value of the integration from what you have done in Maxwell's theory or something like that. Yes, ma'am, in this place. So we can directly put it in real, I mean, when we are solving it in assignments or during exams as well.
Yes. I think if I say, I don't know, actually I could not remember the CDNC, what it contains. Anything, it is related to KT or something like that. We have derived it, na? M and KT, something like that. In the context of Maxwellian's distribution. Yes, you can put it directly. You need not to, if you can memorize it, CDNC and C square DNC, you can put it directly. But I am not sure, I just cannot remember what actually the expressions are. If there is some new information comes if you go for the Maxwellian distribution. That's what I am telling you. You can check it, right?
Okay.
We can put it directly as C bar, no harm in it, in C bar. But we can also see the other distribution also. If we consider other distribution, what it is coming out. So it will contain some KT by M, M something. So from whether we can get any interesting observation if you have two types of gas, and that I will see. I want you to see what interesting thing it can come, right? But in the exam, you need not to evaluate the whole thing. So if it is up to evaluate, you'll find it as a first part of the question, and this can be second part of the question, so that you can use that your first part answer to the second part. Okay.
Okay.
Otherwise, you can just put it if you can memorize, and you should memorize C bar, C square bar for Maxwellian distribution. It is nice to remember it. Okay. So
yes,
any other question? Anyone? Let me ask. Ashmita, are you here? Ashmita?
Yes, ma'am.
Any question?
No, ma'am.
No question. Is it okay?